Hello guys, I'm back. It's past a lot from the last video. I think it's past a month, but I was so busy. Now I'm here, I'm back. So today we are going to talk about the for loop. So what is the for loop? The for loop is a loop that you use when you know how much time you want to iterate something. So in the case of the while loop that we have seen in the last video, so if you don't know what is a loop, check the video about the while loop. You will understand what is a loop and what is especially the while loop. So the while loop is used when you don't know how much time you have to iterate something, but if you know how much time you want to iterate something, you can use the for loop. So let's see on Eclipse how the for loop works. Let's say for, open the brackets. Inside the brackets we have to declare a variable that is the index. So we will say int e, that stands for the index, equal to 0. Okay, now we have declared our variable index, and now we have to say to iterate until the e is we can say less than 10, for example, and we have to say that each time that the for loop is executed, he have to increase about 1. So we can just say e plus plus. Now, okay, here we have to write what we want to do each time the for loop is executed. So for now we just I've misspelled it. So for now we just print in the console the variable e, and at the end of the loop we will print hello. It's a string, so remember to write like this. Okay, so now we can execute our program and let's see what happened. Yeah, it doesn't work because I write more than instead of less than, so the loop even don't start again. Okay, the loop even don't start because e is more than 10. No, so the loop stop and didn't start. Okay, so now until the e is less than 10, so e is, let's start to explain you better. So as you can see, at the first start the e is 0, so it's less than 10, and it will be printed here, so 0, and increase by 1 at the next step, so now e is equal to 1, so it's printed here, and it's less than 10, yes, and increase the e again and will be equal to 3, so here now it's 3 and it's less than 10, so it will be printed here, and this until he reach the 9. Why the 10 is not printed here? Because we say e less than 10, so when the e will be equal to 10, 10 is less than 10, no, so will be not printed. If you want to print also the 10, you have to write like this, less equal 10, so now it will be printed also the 10, and at the end we have our hello. So this is our for loop and it's how it works. I've tried to explain it in the simplest way. I hope you have understand it. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel and we will see in the next video.